Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out from all the devices from your Garena Free Fire account. This is very simple. You have to just log into your Garena account first, or you have to enter into your Free Fire account. Then you can see a settings option which has been indicated by arrow at the top right corner. Click on it. This interface will be available like basic, sensitive, control, so you have to click on the basic option. Now at the bottom right corner you can see a button log out, so click on log out. After that, this interface will be available like there will be two options: log out of the current account, log out from all devices. So you have to click on log out from all devices, then you have to click log out. After that, you can see it will be written here, you must re-enter your password when you log in. Confirm log out, then you have to just confirm OK. That's all. You will be logged out from all the devices where your Free Fire account has been logged in. Now you can just easily log into your account again if you necessary. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.